Symptoms of power steering leak, diagnosis and repair for a power steering leaks. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are looking at symptoms of power steering leaks, diagnosis, and steps for repairing a power steering leak. So basically, your car's power steering system ensures a smooth driving experience. But if you ever notice that it starts behaving unusually, you might be facing a leak. In this detailed video tutorial, I will take you through how to identify a power steering leak and the steps to fix it. So grab your tools, and let's get started. What is the function of a car's power steering? Power steering is a system that helps drivers steer the vehicle by augmenting the steering effort needed to turn the steering wheel. It consists of a hydraulic pump, a reservoir that contains the hydraulic fluid, various hoses, and a power steering gearbox or rack. A leak in this system can lead to reduced steering effectiveness or even failure, leading to a safety concern. It's essential to address this issue promptly. Now, what are the signs of a power steering leak? Symptoms of power steering leak. Difficulty in steering. If the steering feels stiff or unresponsive, it may indicate a leak. Noises. When turning the wheel, whining or squealing noises could mean low fluid levels due to a leak. Fluid under the vehicle. Noticing a puddle of reddish or amber fluid under the vehicle? That might be power steering fluid. Low fluid level in the reservoir. Regularly checking the reservoir can catch leaks early. Tools and materials needed. For diagnosing and repairing a power steering leak, you'll need the following. 1. Power steering fluid. 2. Jack and jack stands. 3. Steering pump pulley remover, if necessary. 4. Wrench set. 5. Screwdrivers. 6. Pliers. 7. Replacement hoses or seals, if required. Diagnosing the leak. 1. Identify the source. Inspect the hoses, seals, and other components for any visible leaks. 2. Check the reservoir. Look for cracks or damages to the reservoir itself. 3. Examine the pump and rack or gearbox. Sometimes the leak may be in these critical components. 4. Use a leak detector. Some mechanics use UV leak detectors for precise identification. Remember to always work on a cool engine and use proper safety PPE. Repairing the leak. 1. Fixing leaking hoses. If hoses are leaking, they may need to be replaced or tightened. 2. Seals and gaskets. Replacing worn seals or gaskets can often fix the leak. 3. Repairing or replacing the pump. If the pump itself is leaking, it may need repair or replacement. 4. Refilling the fluid. Once the repair is complete, refill the power steering fluid to the appropriate level. 5. Testing. Test the steering to make sure the leak has been successfully repaired. 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Avoid common errors like 1. Using the wrong type of power steering fluid. 2. Over-tightening hose clamps, which can cause damage. 3. Ignoring small leaks, leading to more significant problems later. 4. Not testing the system properly after the repair. Diagnosing and repairing power steering leaks is a vital aspect of vehicle maintenance. This process can save you from potential steering failures, ensuring a safer driving experience. We hope this tutorial provides you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this task yourself. If you encounter any challenges, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tutorials and insights. Have you ever had a power steering leak? Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned and drive safely.